From the title of this video, I guess you already know why you clicked. Yes, I am finally relaxing, or texlaxing actually, because I got a texlaxer, but my hair is quite thin and soft, so it did relax my hair. I feel like they are both the same thing. It all depends on the procedure at which you get it done to get a desired result. Anyways, I have been having it in mind. Sometimes it will come as a thought and I'll just, shrug it off. But I don't know. I think the new year influenced me to do this. I guess new year, new me. I don't know. Sometimes you just want change. You just want something different. And one thing that did strongly influence this is having to spend so much time detangling, moisturizing, and washing my hair. If you're a naturalista, you would agree with me when I say that wash day is not a day to schedule any other thing. It has to, the star of the show has to be your hair, because it's literally a ritual and it takes time, it takes effort. You need to put your mind into it. And I did not just have that time anymore. My schedule became tight and I just kept on going from one protective style to another protective style without letting my hair breathe. So yeah, I guess it's time for a change. I'll be using ORS olive oil texturizer. It comes with 2 packs of texturizer cream and activator, 2 packs of neutralizing shampoo, 2 packs of conditioner, and 2 packs of moisturizing lotion. It also comes with a wooden spatula and 2 gloves. So I went ahead to add 2 texturizer cream and 2 activators. So I went ahead to section my hair into 4 parts, and then I added Vaseline around the perimeter of my head, on my scalp, and even on my ear, just to protect it from the texlaxer, or should I call it relaxer. Anyways, yesterday I wore some gloves to protect my hand as well, and I began the process. I don't know why I kept on laughing throughout this whole process. I don't know what was funny, but I guess I was just excited about the whole experience. This is what I have left after applying it on all 4s. So I had to go back in to apply the texlaxer to my scalp, not directly on my scalp, but just to the hair closer to my scalp and on my edges, because that's usually the last thing to do. Then I washed off the relaxer and used this neutralizing shampoo to wash off the relaxer. At first it will turn pink, so you need to keep washing until the lather is actually clear, which was what I did. So I think I washed for up to like 6 to 7 times to get everything out, and this was what the last lather looked like. Then I went in with this protein mayonnaise to bring back protein back into my hair. Then I put on shower cap. I actually had 2 shower caps, and I put on 2 shower caps just to make the protein penetrate into my hair, and washed it off, conditioned my hair, and then applied this lotion. It wasn't enough, so I just concentrated on my edges and then went in with leave-in conditioner first and then cream. Just the actual steps that I usually do when I'm natural. I massaged every single product into my scalp, especially the oil. For leave-in conditioner, you just concentrate on your strands, but for the oil, I concentrated more on my scalp and my edges and made sure I massaged everything in. We're not taking chances. Anyways, yeah, I just had this to say at the end. So this is the end result of my hair. Basically, I relaxed my hair after 4+ years, almost 5 years. And yeah, I just feel like, I know that it will be better for me. It will be more manageable for me to, manipulate my hair now. My hair would have been way longer than this, but because I kept on manipulating it when it was natural, which caused it to shed and break a lot. That's why it's this length. I need to go for a trim. I'm going to make some research and find out a salon that, you know, knows how to trim hair properly. I'm actually excited for this new journey. Yeah, I'm going to be creating more hair content in 2025. And I want to be able to just wake up in the morning and start doing what I need to do, you know, not spend so many hours detangling my hair, putting it in twists, each of them in twists. It's just really tiring. I have so many things on my schedule right now, and I don't want to spend the whole day on my hair, which was why I came to this decision. Will I go back to being natural? I do not know, but I mean, never say never. I don't know, it's just really easy being relaxed. And the thing is, I didn't even let my hair get so processed. It still has a bit of texture, and I love that for me. I'm going to be doing like 4 months interval, or let's say 5 months interval. So the target is to texturize my hair every like 3 times in a year. Hopefully I'm going to keep to that, and then I'm also going to be watching so many relaxed hair videos just so that it guides me on, you know, the right thing to do to my hair. I did actually research before texlaxing my hair, which was why I did a protein treatment first after rinsing out the after rinsing out the relaxer, because I understood that, you know, relaxer takes off the protein, so you need to like put in more protein back. So I use like this, I already showed you guys, I used that for the protein thing. I'll make research and see even better protein treatments to use. I'm also going to be following natural relaxed hair creators. There's this one that Kamsi spoke about, Hairlicious Link or something like that. I'm going to be following her and following like others that know what they are talking about, just so that my hair can be healthy. 2025, yes, I need to style my hair more. I want to style my hair more, but I also want my hair to be healthy as well. So that's the goal for 2025. This is not in any way to convince you to go relax, okay? Do whatever it is you want to do to your hair. Be free. I feel like we're young, so we still have time to like explore. One thing I have never done to my hair is dye my hair. I don't really think I'm going to do that. I'm not really a fan of like dyeing hair. But cut my hair, maybe like sometime in my life I will cut my hair, maybe do like pixie cut. But I mean, you have extensions for that, so why would you do that? But just do whatever it is you want to do to your hair, man. Do whatever it is that works for you. This is not your sign. This is not in any way, shape or form to derail you from the natural hair journey or from the natural hair community. Yeah. I'm actually happy. Am I trying to convince myself I'm happy? I'm actually happy. So I'm going to, like I said, go for a professional trim and track my hair. Like, okay, you know, my hair is trimmed now, you know, so yeah, what's gonna happen, or where's it gonna be by the end of the year? So I hope I don't know, is it right to say I hope you guys enjoy watching this video? But I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please comment. I need to see you guys comment. Like, your comments basically like push me going. Yeah, so drop a comment and let me know your thoughts, what you think. But anyways, be kind, okay? I'll see you guys. Bye.